Yeah. Those are super swampers. Nitro J in the house. Good shot, Jay. The RGT. Stop it right there. On the Nidos. This thing is becoming more scx10 every time we get out here. Ooh, the Silverado! Oh, Silverado! Go ahead. There he goes, there he goes! Yeehaw!
Upgraded RGT with a full-size Axial motor in it. And what else you got going on here, Los? Got the full-size transmission in there, obviously, to mate with the full-size motor.
And the Axial axles.
First gen Axial axles on here with scx10 Nido wheels and tires. And this is an RGT, y'all, on 3S.
Stock Nidos. On this hill, you gotta stay real close to this rock. Turn right, Jay. You gotta stay real close on this incline. There you go. Here's 1.5s, Dick CPEX, more of a street tire. Look at that. Oh, that was cool. And here are a pair of super swampers.
What up? No, I'm on vacation. Yeah, no, I'm on vacation.
The foams are a little beat on this one because we've been in the water a lot. But they make one hell of a video. Look at that. Going for it. Move more towards that rock, you'll get over it. Look at that. With 6% tire. Woo! See those weights inside on stock red. The 1.5s. .5 Dixie Pex on the devil's backbone. Look at that. Look at that. Nitro J coming across. Come towards me more, Jay. Yeah, back up a little. Come towards me more. You're gonna lean onto the side. There you go. There you go. There you go. You got it. Don't worry. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Right there. Look at Nitro J checking this beautiful piece of art. Left. Turn left hard, Jay. There you go. Hard left. Hard left. Look at that beautiful piece of art. You got it.
Straight? Or
Yeah,
not?
straight. No, just the way you're going. Just the way you're running. Keep the tires the way you are.
Like right there.
Yeah, keep the tires the way you are.
Front's gonna drop down, you're
Yeah.
gonna be fine.
Turn left more. You rub. Look at him rubbing. Go ahead. Go, Jay. Left. No, 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 no. You're not going that way. You go left.
Stay just like you are. There you go. It's gonna fall.
You don't want it to fall though.
More right, turn more to your left.
Turn to your left. I've been telling you. Turn left.
Hard left.
There you go.
Now stay hard left.
All right, Jay.
There you go. There you go.
Come on, Orlando. Get your truck up here.
You gonna catch it?
Yeah. Catch it on video.
You gotta go forward, Jay.
Jay.
Jay, you
Gotta move your truck forward.
I'm getting an eye on it over here.
Okay. All right, Orlando. Pull up.
These are some stuff.
It's all right.
Bald ass tires.
You can just go to give Orlando some space to come across this backbone. Don't worry, we're gonna guide you, bud. Orlando over here, hanging out with Highway 1. Look at this thing. All right. America. You best believe it. My man, you got this. Come on. All right, here we go. Don't worry, we're gonna guide you. We're gonna help you out. Go. Come towards me. More towards me. There you go. There you go. Just stay in it. I got a hand on you. You're okay. There you go. No, come towards me more. There you go. Come with it. Come a little towards me more. There you go. Don't get scared and turn right. Go left a little. All right.
There you go.
There you go.
Straight over right now.
There you go.
Drag.
Turn left, turn left, turn left.
Yeah.
Turn left. Slow. Left more. More left. You gotta go a lot
There
left.
you go.
A lot left.
Keep going left.
Keep going left.
He's good as long as he keeps going straight. Just keep turning to the left. There you go. Now
Back-
you go ahead
back.
and center yourself over here.
Ooh.
Stay left.
Stay left. Oh, look at he
There
did
you
it.
go. Straighten the wheels out and come up on top of this little hump.
Look at my man.
There you go.
How was that, Orlando?
Crazy.
Tell the people of the world, what was that like?
Crazy as ever.
Jay, thumbs up over there
Oh,
for
yeah.
the crew.
Hey, no
Look at that.
safety straps.
Highway 1.
on that rail and drop down.
Ooh, look at that. Lando's rubbing out here. Ooh, look at that. All right. All right, you guys. That was a test drive for the brand new Deadbolt 10.2s. And we also brought the RGT Racing. And we brought our Gen 7 out here. Hey, you guys, tell them what you guys thought of that today.
Man, it was fun. We all got to drive new trucks, test them out, and they definitely got approved by the Highway 1 RC crew for sure.
It's cool to see all of our rigs with different tires. Really got to see what can be done and what can't be done.
I'm really impressed. I went with a smaller tire on the Deadbolt to make it a little harder. Sacrificed a little ground clearance, but it's really fun. Made a big difference on it.
I like that because it gave all three perspectives on the new truck. Plus, we wanted to bring you stuff like that are cheaper products, but are very capable trucks like the Gen 7. It's one of my favorite trucks because, like I say all the time, that truck is creating builders more than any other product on the market right now. Look at this. This is a Silverado body with a cage. James, what do you think of that product coming from that into a Deadbolt? What do you think?
I mean, I can't beat the Red Cat. I've tried killing that thing. I've launched it off of plenty of things, and it's still holding up. I've broken a couple link ends, and I stripped out one rear locker, but otherwise that thing's paid itself off already with just having fun, excitement. I can let anybody run it. It breaks, it's easy to fix, but if we can't break it, you're not gonna break it.
And that'll tell you right there, he'll buy another one of those, and he'll buy a Deadbolt. What do you think of the Deadbolt?
I love the Deadbolt. I mean, coming from having the Honcho to having this one, though the Honcho's my son's, this one being mine, and doing a little modifications to it that I've done out of the box, this thing's just amazing. It's a fun little truck, especially for a beginner for the price. You're gonna have a great time out here on the trails.
I had my 4-year-old son driving the Deadbolt yesterday, and now it's his. He says that that's the best one that he's driven out of all the RCs that we have.
And he would know.
We have a lot of RCs.
This one right here almost got me pushed off a cliff because I offered him $45. But this truck, the RGT, man, it's came a long way with us. It's actually got axial transmission and motor because we've broken everything pretty much RGT except the frame on this thing. And Lowe's, tell them coming from an RGT going into a Deadbolt, man, the perspective on both these vehicles, man.
Both fun. This one, I think what we've been talking about has got different gears in it, and I just changed the motor and the transmission. On 3S, this thing is crazy. I had it jumping up hills today and hooking on with these, actually the stock Deadbolt tires. Really good. Overall, I'm really happy with the RGT.
There you guys go. We also have a special guest appearance today by our boy Orlando. This is his 10.2 right here. He did a great job scaling it out.
It's an amazing build.
The dog out the window, driver, good old American flag, and just crossed our hard portion of the track back here with this beautiful rig. So
First time
man.
across the devil's spine with it.
He showed up and he's filming and he made him go across something crazy today. So shout out
Made it in
Orlando.
one try.
Right
one
on.
try.
Definitely.
So that'll tell you from the Highway 1 perspective, be it a Gen 7, be it RGT, be it a brand new Deadbolt, it don't matter what you have. Get out here and have fun, you guys, just like Orlando. With that, we're going to bring you another extra 2 episodes of running this Deadbolt in the future because we got a lot going on. But stay tuned.